So here's the line you use to chase someone when they originally got in touch with you. So maybe they get in touch with you, they're interested in what you have to offer, and then some time passes. For whatever reason, the follow-up didn't take and you didn't get anything back from them. The message you want to send them isn't, hey, I'm just chasing because I know it's been a couple of weeks or a couple of days and haven't heard back from you. You're still interested at all? No, we need to remind them that they originally came to us. And so what we're going to chase with is more of an assumption that they want us. We're actually going to act as though they're chasing us. So the line you use is, hey, I know you wanted to explore working with me, or I know you wanted to learn more about what it is we're doing, and we caught up about that recently. Let's see if you're keen to carry on now. So talk about how they wanted to. That's your entry point, and it definitely opens it up more, because then they're like, oh yeah, I did reach out to you to start with. Check out these videos here. There's actually quite a few different tips, different suggestions, and mistakes to avoid that I've tried over the years that have really made the difference for me.